Hi, we're here at SLA Equipment, Antioch, Tennessee, just right outside of Nashville. Our number is 615-641-7720. Today we're going to be looking at a 7x22 Gooseneck equipment trailer. We have our Gooseneck hitch as well as our safety chains and breakaway cable. There's two 12,000-pound jacks as well as a chain basket on the front of the trailer. We have side pockets and tie-down points along your sides of your equipment trailer. This trailer does have pressure treated wood flooring as well as two 7K axles on 16-inch wheels and radial tires. This trailer does have our diamond plate fenders. This is a Dovetail equipment trailer with 5-foot stand-up ramps. This trailer does come with our corrosion repair paint to avoid chipping. There is fully wired LED lights on this equipment trailer. There is an 8-inch I-beam frame. Once again, this is a 7x22 Gooseneck equipment trailer. If you were interested in this trailer or any other trailer we have online, please give us a call at 615-641-7720.